Ta-da! My favorite palette!
Okay, so guys, this is my Huda.
I'm very excited seeing this palette always. I love it. It's a total worth the money palette because it gives you all the colors. Like, look at the amazing colors. I love it. Like, ta-da! So firstly, I'm applying Cocoa, which is an amazing brown color. You can see. You can see it. I am gonna take the color Man Eater.
Smudging it, dusting it, and then finally on it.
This created this amazing effect on my eyes. More on the outer, if you can see how I'm doing it. See. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm gonna take this Age Rewind. I took it on the brush, okay, and I'm gonna cut my eyelid. Yes. See how it works. Around, not over here, not much here, just in the middle, okay? Look, like that, okay? Next, putting on the glitter. I love the name Angelic, so I'm gonna keep it Angelic. Now, just to give a finishing to this, I'm gonna add a bit of cocoa on my smudging brush. We got it merged. Yeah, baby. This is where I get this glowy effect, you know. Now it's like done. I'm gonna take some cocoa and some Man-Eater. I'm gonna take my Pro Illuminate Highlighter with my favorite brush. This is my favorite highlighting brush. I love it. Yeah, baby. Now this is like some highlighter came on. Cupid's bow. Amazing, oh my god, boy! Gorgeous. Finally the eyebrow. Steam 3D eyebrows secret brow set. The defined eyebrow look, and look at without the defined, it's so different. Then finally I'm using this Impress eyeliner pencil. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Lee Smoky pencil, which is one of my favorites. Pencil as a liner on the upper. Now I'm finally putting on my falsies. I love falsies. So finally, this is what the eyelash part looks like. Da, da, da. My falsie. So this is finally my falsies on my eyes, and a bit of Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick, which is in the color 05 Rose Jocelyn on my lip. It's giving a very pinkish balmy look. And now finally I am taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. Ah, gorge. Little snowballs. All the details, if you really want to buy these, are in the description box below. So just check it down as soon as possible. Would really prefer with the lighter lip. If you want to really add a darker lip, which would be something like this. So it is totally upon you, comforting upon the look, whatever you want. You've seen both the looks and both are drastically different from each other. If you really love this tutorial, then subscribe to my channel, hit this button below and subscribe to my channel right away. Also tell your friends to subscribe me. I love you.